This is our team.
Central Auditory Processing Disorder, or CAPD, is a neurological deficit that affects how the brain processes spoken language and is estimated to affect about 5% of the human population. This condition makes it difficult for affected adults and children to understand verbal statements or filter out background noise when listening to somebody talk. Indeed, such individuals may complain of being able to hear fine, but have trouble understanding.
Imagine a world where the joy of sound slips away like sand, where innocent conversations turn into tricky struggles. Now, think about the millions of kids in the world dealing with this struggle every single day. Auditory processing disorder. Sound, the beautiful music of life, becomes something strange for these kids, which is why a solution is so important. Let's understand the problem first. 300,000 babies a year are born with auditory processing disorder. But do you believe that all of these children have access to hearing aids? No, they obviously not. This leads to learning disabilities, leading to social isolation, leading to further learning disabilities, and this vicious cycle ensues. Let me explain the problem further. Auditory meaning the ear, processing meaning the ear canal, and disorder meaning the brain. The problem isn't with any one of these things, rather the culmination of all three, which once you get diagnosed with this disorder, it cannot be cured. This is our target audience, and I want you to take your attention to the percentages here. On average, 96% of children lack access to hearing aids. So what do these children do? What is the solution in the market right now? Well, these are the solutions. And as you can see, our solution, Audifix, provides so much more functionality and saves you 92% of the cost for those functionalities over the course of 4 years. So how do we do this? What is this magic, you're asking yourself? Well, let me explain. These are our core features which will be explained during our demonstration, and everything will be provided offline to all customers. Our other features will be provided only to our premium customers. And this is our high-level architecture diagram and our business model canvas, which will be explained in the Q&A session. These are our implementation versions and our telecommunication APIs, which will be explained further. Now, before we get into the demo, I want you to know that this app is made only for one person. So the general audience will have a pre-recorded video, while the judging panel will have a live demonstration.
Welcome to Audifix, your gateway to a clearer auditory world. It's a revolutionary solution that empowers individuals with auditory processing disorder, or APD. Let's enable focus mode to minimize distractions. Individuals with APD may not be able to tell apart speech from noise. Using this application, they will be able to play back enhanced audio from the microphone to the earpiece with the background noise removed. But sometimes they may hear the words jumbled up. So, to help comprehend the audio, they can click on the transcription tab to view the speech-to-text generated in real time, no internet connection required. The individual can also view visual cues of certain words, such as sky, which they may not know the meaning of, generated using OpenAI's Dolly API. Individuals with APD also have a hard time understanding rapid speech, so they have the ability to slow down and speed up the pace. They can jump back or forth by 5 seconds as well. In order to catch up with real time, they can do so by clicking on this button. They may not want to hear everything that they say into the microphone, so they can hold on to the mute button. Not everyone has the same sensitivity of hearing on either ear, so they can adjust the sound balance to suit their needs. We have used Radisys programmable video API for live consultation. Once the consultant starts a session, the session pin is sent to the user via the Idealmark SMS API, through which they can join the session. Audifix, hearing the world on your terms.
Thank you.
It's time for the Q&A session.